Welcome back with another video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue where your new hard drive or SSD is missing in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, restart your PC and go to BIOS setting. If you don't know what your BIOS button is, then look for a message on the screen indicating the key to access BIOS, often displayed as "Press that key to enter BIOS." Once you have entered in the BIOS settings, use your keyboard to navigate. Now go to the Drive section and click the right arrow button to open more options, then go to the Drives option, the last one. Now hit Tab to jump to your right-hand side and enable this All SATA box and save this setting, then click on Exit.